School would be gone forever. Wait a second, I know. I will pull the fire alarm at school.
What are you talking about, Stephanie?
I said I was going to be good at school today.
That's what I thought. Anyways, the bus is waiting for you outside.
Oh, okay. I'll get on it right now.
Hey Stephanie,
What do you want, little brat?
did you bring in your homework?
No, I didn't. Now get out of my face.
Wah 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 wah.
Hello, class. Miss Martin is not here today, so I will be teaching today. My name is Mr. Editor. Today's topic is...
I'm Mr. Ugly.
Stephanie, how dare you call me that name? Go to the principal's office right now.
Wah 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 and all that stuff. Ha 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 ha. I have escaped class. Now to get to the fire alarm. Mr. Balding, what are you doing?
Oh, hi, Stephanie. Too many people are pulling the fire alarm, so I had to remove it.
Oh, okay. See you later. Well, that backfired. Wait a second. I just remembered there is a fire alarm in the principal's office. Hey, look. A vent. Perfect.
We're detonating the Alpha warheads in T-minus 90 seconds. All personnel are advised to enter the nearest blast shelter immediately.
Uh-oh. I don't think that was the fire alarm. I gotta get out of here, quick.
Breaking news. A huge explosion happened at the local school today. We don't know who caused it. Wait, what? Ladies and gentlemen, we have a live update. A girl named Stephanie did it. If you know this girl, please call the police right now.
Hi, Mom. I just got back from school.
This kid's pretty good. He's got a good arm and he's wrecking the place. Look at this big mess you made here. God, I love it. Opening presents before Christmas? I like your style.
Stephanie, I cannot believe you did this. That is so it. You are grounded for infinity plus 99.99 years. Go to your room right now.